Aircon. And we have a very famous YouTube guy here that's installing it, the guy called Chang Boy. Really support Titan. This is Chang Boy. Okay, and he's come to install all the Aircons. Like I say, he has a YouTube channel. Absolutely amazing. He's got over 20,000 subscribers and he gets lots of views. So, and this is even on the recommendation of our clients. We're so happy to find out that we have this guy come to do the aircon. Okay. So I'll show you a bit more how we're doing the installations. Right now we're just doing the infill. The door frames being installed. Just putting the expanding foam in and cut it off. We actually use this machine here to level cut in. It's got a multi-tool. So basically what they're doing is the first fix on the aircon when we've got all the floors done and the windows in and that, and then we'll come and install and make the aircons. So there you go. Pi's over there doing the Catman. I'll show you more about that in a moment. She did do some at the front, back here on the step. So now the guys are putting the railings in. So she had to finish the Catman off on there. There's no actually painting outside apart from the one on the top there for the smart boards and the fascia boards. That's the only painting that's going to be done. The rest is all concrete finished, polish finished. There's a tiles called a Catman. And there you go. All the steel will be painted black. There's actually got to be a primer put on for galvanized steel first, and then the finish, and the same for the posts. So we're planning within a month to have this house finished, and the garage finished, and the landscape done, hopefully. So Chang Boy's the same as me, he likes to fly his drone. He flies the DJI Mavic Mini. Mini 2 ใช่ไหม Yeah, the Mini 2. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me, but now they're just putting the rail in. And the ceiling, they're putting the ceiling wires in. This is for the gypsum ceiling. So every 60 centimeters apart, 60 that way, 60 that way. And you just go clips for the lines, for the C line, all bolted in. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, isn't it, ใช่ไหม จบแล้วใช่ปะ จบแล้ว I think นี่เอาที่นี่ I know you got this ที่นี่ but I think เอกนี่ใช่เซฟเหมือนกันนู่นนี่โอเคนี่โอเคใช่นี่โอเค so do the same here นี่ที่นี่ 1 2 3 4 5 6 นี่7 ตัวนี่เซมนี่เหมือนกันที่นี่ so นี่ so ยกใช่นี่เป็ด so ยกประมาณ20 เซนอันนี้มี2 เท่าโอ Okay, so that's that. Before I forget, we've just run the pipe through for the aircon on here, so that will run down, so we'll have a condenser here. So now they're running the pipe work on that side for the cassette on here. So they're just trying to locate the holes that we have put in the cavity for the pipe work. So just run the pull line in, and then they can pull the pipe up. I left a big enough cavity where the support beams are, a sill, and that to pull all the pipes through. Okay, so these have all been formed up now. So I'll cut foam off there. The same in this up here. So I'll cut all the expanded foam off. And then that's a pipe coming through there for the aircon to sit in the centre. And that runs all in the cavity. Yeah. All good. Okay, so nearly end of day, 4 p.m. and we've got the pipe through for this room. We've got the pipe up for the cassette. We've also finished doing all the foam work for door frames to get finished. Fantastic. So now they just put the pipe up there and then run off water pipe. We've got this one done, this room here ready, so we're going to finish off doing that, getting it painted, get the windows in, get the tiles down, finish the ceiling first, get the tiles down, and we give it a paint, final paint. They'll have the windows in. They've still got this room to do. So I'll show you how they've done that downstairs. Bryan looks absolutely knackered. He's doing a fantastic job of this real light. Lovely finish on the Catman. Yeah, lovely neat job they're doing. So there's one inverter there and one inverter there. So just finish off putting the sea line in for the carport. So these all bolted up. So come on. Okay, พวกนี้นี่เช็คเลเซอร์นี่ระดับพวกนี้เช็คระดับโอเคพวกนี้เลเซอร์นี่เช็คระดับ for ceiling เข้าใจไหมครับครับวันนี้พอแค่นี้อะไรนะวันนี้พอแค่นี้พวกนี้ทำไม่หยุดก็1 เดือนนี่พอบ้านเสร็จแล้วไม่หยุด after 1 เดือนโอเคหยุด Isn't that right, Lek? They can take a rest when we finish the house in a month. They're asking for time off tomorrow because they get paid today. Alright. Alright. Okay, I don't support. I chop stand.
No, you can say I'm not Chinese, I'm Falang.
Falang.นั่นแหละนั่นแหละ is something for saying, oh yeah, so true. ใช่ไหมนั่นแหละครับผมIsan Isan's looked to say it's like yes. Okay, so there we go. So they're getting this part all finished now. Okay, we've just been told by the client he wants another building done today, which I'm quite happy to do. So right now, which will start next week, we've got a month to do it in, and that's going over there, just past the tree there. So the guys have to move their camp again, and we'll start the foundation work next week on that. This is a house for the client's parents, because they live about 30-40 minutes away from here, and they come out every day. They love coming here. So my clients decided, okay, we're going to put another house on. It's just a last minute thing. Yeah, he says, would I do it? I says yes, happy to do it. So there you go. So there's going to be another little bit of a build there. It's only a small building, say on this sort of design, without the garage. See what Pi's been doing all day, bless her. How's it going? All right? She's just been doing Catman all day. Chop my, sun up my. She's got sore arms. Yeah, I'll quite believe it, holding all that on. So basically, that's before you put the wax on, and this is after you put the wax on. And the finish is absolutely amazing. So smooth. I love the pattern it makes. So there's actually no painting on the outside of these buildings. It's all Catman concrete finish, or plaster finish as they call it. Easy to maintain. It's the same my house in Pattaya, Pi's house in Chiang Rai. We both have this, and we never need to paint the house. I've never had to paint my house since I've been there. So it's a good few years, and same with Pi. She's had her house built 3 years. Never had to paint it. So basically what we're going to be doing when we're finished here, we're taking a week or so off, a couple of weeks off, and we've got some work to do on the farm, some updates. So Pi will be doing some updates on her channel. Before we start the PG job for Tom and B. I'm looking forward to that. So basically when we get up the farm, we're taking some of the guys up with us to do some infrastructure work up there. So there's a new kitchen going in. We've just upgraded the solar a couple of months ago to 5 kilowatt now, from 1.6 to 5. We've got loads of solar lights in. We've got the road put in for her. And all looking good. Because soon Pi will be spending more time on the farm, getting back to doing some farm work, you know, because she misses the place. Even though she's enjoying doing this sort of work, but I say she misses Chiang Rai. The travel as well, right? But I've got so much on at the moment. So there you go. So like I say, Chang Boy, I'll put a link to his video in the description. Absolutely fantastic guy. Does a great job on the Aircons. Very professional. So they're measuring out for the water waste pipe coming out. Just to estimate. So he actually has over 20,000 subscribers on his channel, and they're very interesting. He's the same, as you can see. He's wearing a Daikin shirt, because he actually loves doing diking. And like I say, my clients, they actually subscribe to his channel as well, and they were actually quite shocked that we actually got this guy to come and do the job here, even though he's from this village, you know, like village. So anyway, I'll sign off for now and catch you on the next one. Bye for now.